Today was way much better. Today was way much better than yesterday. What is up, guys? Today is day 2. I'm on my way home, driving back from truck driving school. Today was way much better. Today was way much better than yesterday. I don't feel tired. Yesterday I was very exhausted. When I left, I left and went and got into bed. Like, I literally got into bed, didn't get up. Woke up, I still had my curtains open, the blinds open, and I was just so drained. And it's not because it was so much, it's because we kind of sat and did a lot of signing and onboarding, and then we did a lot of sitting. But today was very more, it was very a lot of information, but good information. We got to hear from he still works for the company, but a driver who had been driving for almost 20 years. He took us through some lessons, and then we heard some real life experience. And I actually like learning from older people, so I don't have a problem with that. And then we actually did simulator as well today. Tomorrow will be the first day that we do go to the truck, but that will be our pre-trip. So pre-trip is required by the DOT, Department of Transportation. If you don't know what that is, pre-trip is what you do to make sure your vehicle is ready for the road. So if you do a pre-trip and find some stuff that's wrong, you shouldn't drive that vehicle. Basically, that's what that means. You shouldn't drive it. Not only that, it's keeping you safe and it's keeping others safe. So if something failed while you were driving, or you had a tire that was not good, you could see that before you got in the truck and started driving. So I'm understanding how everything works. And so I'm excited. Today was very like, okay, we're getting somewhere. Because yesterday, I was like, I don't know. I had to dial it back. And you know, when you come from I have a different background. Like, I've conducted meetings and things of that sort. I've taught classes, done PowerPoint presentations. So my standard could be a bit high. But I am understanding that there's a lot of people that come from a lot of different backgrounds in trucking. So I had to have some grace, but then I just had to sleep it off. So that's what I did. Feel much better. Glad I did. So I'll let you know what happens tomorrow. We're gonna do maybe 2 days, 2 days, 2 apiece. Keeping the process going, letting you know how it goes. All right. Talk to you guys later.